dense collection of hanoks. The Hanok Alley at 31st Gwaedong includes the 5th, 6th, and 7th view spots. You will find many pictures of these alleys in shops. Here you can see how hanoks in Bukchon are different from traditional hanoks. At the 5th view spot, take a look at the hanoks along the alley. You will see that many of them have a wall of thick-sized stones with a red pattern on it. Some of them have windows made of glass instead of Korean paper and wood shutters on them. Don't they look too small for upper-class families in the past? Most of them were actually built in the 1930s. Back then, the upper class began to collapse as the power of the Joseon royal family weakened gradually. So, they found it difficult to maintain a large hanok. At the same time, people needed more houses due to the growth in population in Seoul during the industrialization period. So, private construction firms began to remove large hanoks and build smaller ones and lease them to common people. This is why hanoks in Bukchon are similar in size and shape. Although they have a modern vibe with its new materials like glass and ceramic tiles, they have a traditional structure with the buildings surrounding the yard. Having followed a row of hanoks on both sides, look back once you reach the top of the hill. You will see a view of downtown Seoul filled with skyscrapers beyond the hanok roofs. You can also see Namsan Mountain with Seoul Tower. The observatory on the mountain attracts people who want to enjoy a view of the whole city. You may feel strange when you see the skyscrapers of downtown Seoul beyond the hanoks. This is Bukchon 6th view.